In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress password using Hostinger. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So, let's get started with accessing your Hostinger H panel. First, you'll need to log into the Hostinger H panel. To do this, go to hostinger.com. Once there, you'll see the Login option. Click it and enter your account credentials. If you don't remember your login details, you might need to use the password recovery option or check your email for any Hostinger-related messages. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the H-Panel dashboard. It's a hub for managing all aspects of your hosting account. From here, navigate to Websites. This section is where you'll see all the domains associated with your Hostinger account. Now that you're in the Websites section, the next step is to open the WordPress admin interface for your site. Browse through the list to find the specific website you want to change the password for. Next to your domain, you'll spot a button labeled WP Admin. Clicking this will take you directly to the WordPress dashboard of your site. This dashboard is where you can manage all things WordPress related, from themes and settings to, importantly, passwords. In the WordPress dashboard, focus your attention on the menu options. You'll want to navigate to the Users section. Click on Users, and then select Profile. Alternatively, if you're managing multiple user accounts, you could go to Users, followed by All Users, and then click Edit under your username. This will bring you to your WordPress user profile settings. Once you're in your profile, scroll down until you arrive at the Account Management section. Here, you have the ability to set a new password. You'll see an option that says, Set New Password. When you click this, WordPress will generate a strong password suggestion for you. You can choose to accept this suggestion for enhanced security, or you can enter your own memorable password. Just be sure it's strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your site's security. After entering the new password, the final step is to save the change. To do this, click on Update Profile. This ensures that your new password is registered and ready to use the next time you log in. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WordPress password through Hostinger. I hope this walkthrough was helpful for you. Remember, keeping your passwords regularly updated and secure is a crucial part of maintaining the safety of your online presence. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.